Computer Science Week. I am lost, bro. Hello, hello, hello. Hi guys. So today is Wednesday, and we have here an event which is ang tawag ng event is Computer Science Week, and I am one of the committee sa creatives team. I am an editor. We are the one who promote, to recognize, to know to the people that we have an event. And today is Wednesday and it's 4 a.m. and we are preparing para mamayang 5 p.m. sa Panrat. And I am being stationed kung saan ako magpo-photograph at video sa fun na mamaya. So I already packed my things and I have here. This is from Bea Mahinay. Thank you for borrowing me the camera, Bea. Kapon kang. So I'm gonna pack with me here. This is my fit. So papunta ako sa McDo, guys. Papunta na ako eh. Here pala. Sabi ako ng aso. Dito ata yung palabasan ng McDo ay ng Jollibee. I think I am lost, bro. I am lost. No, I think I know this place. Ito ata, diretso. Wait. Ito guys. Diyan ako pupunta. Yeah, tama. Palabasan na pala yun. So yeah, sana di magulan. So guys, naabutan ako ng ulan. It's raining, bro. Nandito ako sa Station C. Sa may Jollibee banda. Na ako pwesto. But I need to move a little bit. Kasi malayo pa ako sa Jollibee. I'm gonna find a shelter before I proceed. Yeah. Bye-bye. So guys, nasa station na ako. Sa may Jollibee banda. Station C. I'm gonna wait them here so that I could capture them running towards me. So yeah, I'm gonna stand by here and wait for the announcement kung mag-i-start na ang fun run. So hoping na hindi na umulan. Basta na ang buhok ko guys, and nasayang lang yung plancha ng hair ko. So yeah, I'll update you later pag nasa gym na ako. Bye-bye. So hi guys, I'm here at the gym. So I don't know actually. So tawag dyan. Tapos na yung fun run and Zumba. Next is mob dance, which is my vacant na 1 hour. And then mob dance at log out. After nun, Hindi ko na alam.
Nice.
Bale, tapos na ako mag-video, mag-document. So, I still have time to talk with you guys.
Oh, okay.
So, it's been a fun. Sana di makapirate yung ano ko. Yung video kasi make background music. Hoping na hindi ito marinig sa mic. So, yeah. I'll update you later, guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, it's day 2 na. And I forgot to film kagahapon right after the mob dance. I was so busy because ano kasi tawag dyan. Naging busy ako kasi photographer ako and I don't have my phone all the time when I'm shooting it. Ay, kung nagsushoot ako. And that's why I didn't, talaga. I didn't, I forgot to film yesterday because naging busy talaga ako. And right afternoon, nang pinapunta na ako sa office para mag-edit and someone took my place na mag-swap muna so that I could edit. And so, I forgot to film sa office na nag-i-edit ako. But later, I will try again. This is day 2, guys. Day 2 na ng CS week. And I am no more tired na. But still fighting kasi no choice tayo. I commit in this committee, so I need to take the responsibility of my choices. It's been fun though. I experienced a lot of new things that I didn't do the things that I do. Yeah, so I'm gonna update you later if di ako maging busy. So, fingers crossed na mag-film ako. Okay, I'll update you later. I'm gonna ayos my hair. Bye-bye. Hello. So, hey guys. So, I am currently transferring a file sa laptop and it's 12:20 in the afternoon na. And I am, there. I'm, so, i-check ko lang muna guys. Okay, ejected na. Ililipat ko here. This is 2 terabyte. Nabili ko to sa TikTok shop. And it's worth it though. 200 pesos. 200 plus lang to guys. And yeah. Baka ka? Wait lang, sabay lang ta. I-transfer ko lang ra. So yeah, I am currently busy. So after this, mayroon pa kaming 1 a.m. to 5. 1 p.m. to 5. And it's not just me guys. Meron din here. And meron pa here sa ano namin. And I am transferring a file. I'm transferring a file. And after this, kakain na kami. And tapos, after kumain, pahuway, and yeah. BRB, kakain muna kami guys. Bye. Hello, hello, mic test, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, so we're here at K Paradise and we're eating some gyupsal and I don't know how to use chopstick. I don't know how to use chopstick, but look, tabingi. Ay, di siya sumasakto sa
Stop it. Get some help.
practice mode. Don't know how guys. I would like to say thank you. So, thank you for the creative team, our hard work and dedication in this Ano si ma'am? Yay! Bye bye.